Good afternoon mga kapatid. Ito po yung accomplishment natin for the day. So I was able to enclose one of my greenhouse. Ito medyo maliit ng konti. And I was able to transfer na itong lettuce. This is arugula rocket. So medyo maraming weeds, but at least na-separate ko na sila. Kasi ito at least mayroon pa. So, isa-separate pa natin yan, bubunutin, din ita-transfer. So, maybe next week, because I must go home na tonight. And at least, papabunuhan na lang natin ito on Friday. So, ito yung ating lettuce. Here naman yung ating lettuce na green ice. So itong plat na to, okay na siya, lusot na siya. So maybe in 2 weeks, mag-harvest na tayo ng counting lettuce. So unti-unti, so like I said, may mga trial. So having problem with the soil preparation like that to. Nagkaroon ng acid yung iba. So next week, ibabakit na natin yung isang plat para lagyan uli natin ng another solution at lalagyan natin ng bagong seeds. So ganun lang, trial and error, but at least I saw some results, good results. So hopefully mapalaki natin yung ating greenhouse. And then dun sa other side na yun, dun tayo mag-i-expand, palilinis natin. Ito medyo matrabaho, no? Kasi hindi pa tapos tong greenhouse ito, tong gitna, nilagyan ko muna ng bamboo. But pinilit ko na magkaroon na ng seedlings. So ito yung red na lettuce. So ito pa rin yung future expansion ng greenhouse. So it so happen na meron pa tayong eggplant. Ayan, namumunga pa. So hintayin na lang natin na medyo humina na yung production ng fruits. Saka natin expand yung ating greenhouse. So estimated ko dapat makaroon ako ng at least 50 meters ng length na and along 8 meters. So projection ko mga 400 square meter na greenhouse. So yun kasi yung promise ko kay Dison. So kasamahan ng eggplant, meron tayong pechay na then I started also propagation of the lemongrass. So ito, maganda pa naman. So maraming manira kasi hindi ko ni-sprayan to ng pesticide tsaka insecticide. Hinayaan ko na lang muna. So ito po yung activities natin for the day. And God bless. Happy farming.